Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question, Question 8. The process of keeping agricultural produce or products for future use is known as dash A. Storage, B. Processing, C. Harvesting, and D. Banking. So we have to pick out of this option which describes the process of keeping, or which is the process of keeping agricultural produce or products for future use. Now A here says storage. Like we know, storage simply means, in a simple sense, storage simply means what? Saving, or keeping things, for future use. That's storage. Now, in terms of agriculture, storage now simply means what? Keeping agricultural produce or products for future use. That is storage. B here says processing. Processing just simply means what? The act. Processing is the act or the process of converting agricultural products to different forms. That's processing. Example is like your cocoa. You convert cocoa to beverage. Beverage is like your Milo. That's processing. Now CS is harvesting. Harvesting is the act of what? Harvesting is the act or practice of removing farm produce. That's harvesting. Removing farm produce from the farm. When they are grown, when they are mature, you act of removing them from the farm is known as harvesting. Then banking here has to do with what? It has to do with money. Banking here has to do with money. That is business purposes. So the question says the process of keeping agricultural produce and products of future use is known as dash. It is A that is the answer, storage. Storage simply means saving or keeping what? Things for future use. Simply the keeping or the process of keeping agricultural produce or products for future use. So the correct answer to this question is A, storage. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.